Good morning, April the 6th, 2021. I've got a couple lines marked out here on Facebook. I've got a pre-market high, and I also have an all-time high marked just above that at 310.77. So we're going to be watching for that. I'm looking at the 310 call options. This morning, just a quick heads up, I am not a financial advisor. I'm a total newbie. Totally new to this, just trying to learn, and I figured I'd make a journal for myself and let you guys watch. So do not take any of this as financial advice. This is just for entertainment and for my own journaling purposes. Invest at your own risk, of course. So basically what we're looking for today in about 20 seconds is to see Facebook push through this pre-market high. It's hit it a couple times, so it's a bit of a resistance here. We're also looking for it to approach the all-time high of 310.77, and I'm hoping to get a little bit of confirmation of that before I buy in, but we'll see how this plays out. Let's get a better view here. So it's showing a bit of strength. I'm also, of course, watching the SPY and Q this morning. Triple Q and the SPY. Just going to be patient here. I don't really want to force anything. Give it a bit of time, see how this plays out. The volume, 321,000 shares already in the first minute or two. That's pretty wild. Looks like there's certainly some buyers here. Looks like we're opening fairly strong on the Spider S&P and pretty strong on the triple Qs as well. I still want to see this push with some kind of pattern up here before I just buy in, just because. So our first candle right here, big volume, didn't move too much. Okay, I'm seeing red on the SPY and Q as well. They're actually both in the negatives right now. So not too strong. We'll see that this has a low now for the morning. And, oh, we got through the high, broke through the EMA. Looks like we're about to break through the 20 SMA maybe, if it can push. I'm seeing a bit of green now on the SPY and Q. The cost of this 310 call is increasing. So I'm definitely watching for this. Okay, push pre-market high. Can we get above it? Looks like we can. Now I want to see this just blast through 310. I'm going to buy this here. See how this goes. Looks like we're in the green. I think this is mine to lose right now. Probably should have waited till it got a little closer, but this looks really strong right now. I want to give this some room to grow. Still watching the SPY and Q. They're kind of fluctuating back and forth. Okay, we did get a new all-time high there. Can we sustain it? I'm getting a lot of buying right now. I'm seeing green on the Qs and the SPY. This is good. This is good. We're pushing. Wow, I gotta scroll up here. Okay, I'm in the money here. I want to just be Really cautious, play defense. If this starts to fall back, I'll probably sell. Still seeing fluctuations on the SPY and the Q. Okay, gonna sell right there. I'm still up $35 US. Got out just before this came back down here. Now I'm still interested in watching this level. We'll see what happens here. I see red on the Qs for sure. Pretty big red candle. I'm seeing a bit of red on the SPY as well. It's certainly proving that here. See if we can find support. We got all three nice and tight here. The 9 EMA, the 20 SMA, and the VWAP all really tight here. Looks like we just fell through it. Okay, so it looks like we did pretty well on that trade. I mean, we didn't get much, $35. That's nothing special, but hey, we didn't get caught in this. I'm seeing heavy red on the Qs and on the SPY right now. Just gonna be patient here, just to see how this plays out. We see on the 15-minute chart on the right that we definitely had a huge push. We broke through both of our technical levels here, and then I guess we had a bunch of sell orders get filled, and we crashed back down. Let's see what happens in the next few minutes, though. Okay, I'm seeing some rebound on the SPY and Q here. They've both been really strong lately. Okay, we're getting a bit of pressure back now, a bit of buying pressure back. We're reclaiming some of these levels here, the EMA, the SMA. Can we hold them, or are they going to be resistance? I'm seeing heavy green on SPY and heavy green on Qs. No, we got rejected here. So we're seeing a bit of a flag pattern, some consolidation. Oof. We've got a bottom here. Oh, we just broke that bottom. Feeling pretty lucky about my my option call this morning. Pretty lucky indeed. So there were certainly a lot of people who were looking for that all-time high to get broken. So I was able to just ride that a little bit through those technical levels there, but the sell-off was quick. The question is, can we rebound now? Can we get back there? We are approaching the pre-market low. I would expect it to fall quite a bit here if it fell through that. This is our daily chart up here, though. Look how well Facebook has been doing. Yesterday, huge. From what, about a spread of about $295 all the way up to over $310. Wow. That's awesome. You know, it's been 10 minutes into the trading day here. I got lucky on my first Facebook call here, just pushing those all-time high technical levels there. And I'm not sure if I should just walk today. I don't want to chase anything. I see Tesla's down. I'm not sure if I can even afford those options still. Netflix took some jumps today. Let's go take a look at Netflix, actually. Okay, we are approaching a technical level here. Look at this. This has been doing really well. Got a bit of a flag pattern here. If we break above 552.50 here, we should push. Netflix, let's see. How much is this? 552.50. Should we go in here? It's a bit overextended. Definitely looks like a bit of a flag pattern here, though. So my entry point would be about here. Trying to anticipate this. Not seeing too much of a technical level here. Look at this candle, this 15-minute candle. Big green candle pushed right above. Netflix already up almost $10, roughly $10. So can it go more? Hard to say. Might start bleeding out the rest of the day. That's been kind of a trend lately. Oh, here we go. We got some momentum. I'm seeing green on the SPY and Q. Are we setting up for a play here? Let's see. I'd like to see this tape speed up. This candle will close in about 15 seconds. We'll see where the next one opens. We're getting close here. Oh, I'm gonna fill it. Now I want to see this really push on the next candle here. Okay, let's go. This is mine to lose at this point. It's still going to be tight though. Got to be really cautious here. Watch the SPY and Q. I'm seeing red actually on the SPY and Q. This is a huge candle on the 15. Still got a bit of room to grow. As soon as I see this come down, I'm probably just going to sell because I'm in the green here pretty good. Very nice. Oh, and I sold for +6. +6. Oh, I could have got up here. Let's see if this holds. Oh man, look at this too. Now it's hard to sit here and watch this now. If this acts like a new support line, it's going to be a bummer. I am seeing pretty strong green on the SPY and Q right now. Let's watch how this plays out just to see. Well, there it is. I certainly would have sold when that happened if I were still in this holding on. So I think we made the right call there, selling right as we approached this line again. There was a bit of room here, but if I had waited this long, for sure I would have sold when it dipped down to here. So regardless of what happens next, that was both two sell signals for me really back to back. So I think I made the right choice there. Now it's very possible that this pulls back just a little bit, back to, maybe the 9 EMA, and then finds some support and then makes another push. Although I am seeing the SPY just creeping above into the positive numbers now since yesterday. Okay, well, not too much going on here. Let's go back and check NVIDIA. See how we're doing there. Yeah. We got a bit of a level here. We're falling through it. I don't see too much of a play here for us right now. Let's go back and check Facebook. Facebook hit that new all-time high. And ever since then, it's been a bit choppy. It's consolidating anyway. Certainly in this level in here. Didn't quite make it to the pre-market low. It's having trouble getting back over that pre-market high. I think we did well. We did well on Facebook and on Netflix today. I'm not going to push this. I think I'm going to shut it down now for the day. Plus, plus $41 here, really. US. It's not bad. It's not a red number. I'm still learning. So thanks for joining me today on my absolutely newbie journey. I have no clue what I'm doing. This is just a journal to myself, and I hope you are entertained. Thanks for watching.